Hi everyone. In this video, I am going to discuss about the pandas data frame. First of all, how we'll create a data frame from a dictionary. For that, first of all, I have to import a pandas data frame. Here I have imported import pandas data frame as PD. After that, I will create one dictionary. So my dictionary is like that. In my dictionary, I want to store the name, the roll number, and the score. So first of all, I have to create one dictionary. Here, my dictionary name is the D. In the D, first of all, I want to mention a key. And corresponding key, I want to mention some value as well. Here, I have randomly mentioned A, B, C, D, X, Y, and Z. After that, here I'm going to take the another key that will be roll number. That will be roll number. And I want to add corresponding value. It may be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You can add anything. Okay? It is not fixed. Now, I'm going to take another key and value pair. My another key name is the score and value may be 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. Done. After that, I want to create one data frame. Data frame means in the data frame, the rows and column should be there. The rows and column should be there. So here simply I have taken one variable. My variable name is the df. After that, I have written pd.dataframe and I have passed the dictionary. If I'll run that program, the output will be like that. The output will be like that. Now, I want the first 5 data. I want the first 5 data. That means 0 to 4. I want 0 to 4. For that, I will simply write df.head and it will give the first 5 data. That means 0 to 4. Now, I want only the first 3 data. Instead of df.head, I will simply write df.head3. It will give the first 3 data. That means 0 to 2. Now, I want the last 5 data. I want the last 5 data. For that, I have to write df.till. So it will give the last 5 data. After that, I want to extract the value index wise. I want to extract the value index wise. So here, that's why I have written 0 is to 2. df.ilog 0 is to 2. And it is giving the first 2 data. Now I want the first 4 data. What I'll write? I'll write 0 is to 4. I'll write df.ilog 0 is to 4. The last value should be excluded. So it will print 0, 1, 2, 3. 0 is to 3. The last value should be excluded. That's why it is giving 0, 1, 2, 3. I want 0, after that 2, after that 4. So what I'll write? First of all, I'll write 0 is to 5. And the step index will be 2. The step index will be 2. Now 0 to 4. I got 0 to 4. Hope you understood. So here 0 is the starting index. 0 is the starting index. 5 is the ending index. And 2 is the step index. 2 is the step index. So this is all about the ilog. If I write df dot log 1 is to 3, what it will print? It will print 1 to 3. Here the last value is not excluded and it is not taking the value index wise. It is not taking the value index wise. Whatever I have mentioned in 1, 2, 3, it is printing that only. Now I want 1 and 3 and I want name and roll number, not score. I want first of all 1 and 3. So I have to skip 2. So here I have written 1 is to 3 is to 2. And I want only name and roll number, not score. So that's why I have written df.log 1 is to 3 and my step size should be 2 and name roll number, not score, because I want only name and roll number. Next thing, how we will create data frame from a list. For that, I have to create a list first. Here I am taking d1 variable and randomly I am selecting some student's name, roll number, and score. Student's name, roll number, and score. Here also, student name is the B, roll number is the 2, and score is the 67. Here also, I want to create another list. There, the name is the C, roll number is the 9, and score is the 90. Now, I want to create what? I want to create a data frame. So my data frame name is the df. You can write any name. There is no problem. After that, pd dot data frame. Here, I have to take the d1. That is my list. And I will mention the column's name. The first is the name. Second one is the roll number. And third one is the score. And simply I'll write df here. One error I got because I have missed the first bracket. Now I got one value. here if I add the another list, now I got all value. Why? Previously the data frame was taking a single list. Now I have created a nested list and pandas took all those values. So here the name will be ABC, role is the 1 to 9, and score will be 90, 67, and 90. Hope you understood the concept of pandas. Thank you.